Did you know that crows have a naturally intelligent way of healing themselves when they are sick? Let me tell you something. This is interesting. When a crow is weak, it doesn't panic. Slowly and carefully, it begins its journey, hopping across branches, landing lightly on fallen leaves. Every movement is deliberate, conserving energy, scanning its surroundings. It is not wandering, it is seeking a single, very specific place, an anthill. When it reaches the nest, the crow doesn't attack. Instead, it fluffs its feathers, spreads its wings, and lowers its body, perfectly still. Ants crawl over it, moving gently through every feather. This is the magic moment. The ants release formic acid. It naturally kills bacteria, mites, and parasites, hiding deep within the crow's plumage. Sometimes, the crow even picks up ants with its beak, rubbing them onto the exact spots that need the most care. No teaching, just instinct, refined over millions of years. No veterinarian, no pills, no instructions, just nature healing itself, quietly reminding us how intelligent God is. This is Sapphireville.